Guys, my kids are going to be devastated. The whole litter is healthy except this one. He can't even hold his head up. Man, this is horrible. I'm so sorry. I don't know what to do. Is she feeding them?
Yes, the other ones are healthy. That one must be weak or something.
God, this is sad. This is why I don't really like having animals, because I hate losing them. But he might not lose. He might just be weak. You hear me? He might not be dying. I don't want to see you go.
That was yours.
He still got a strong nose. This was my pig too.
Phyllis told me you could see it got skinnier. That's how Kten's cat went.
He still got a heartbeat. He's still breathing. His neck. He can't hold his neck up. Man, oh man. Coraline, you need to come take care of this kitten. Where's she at?
Kitchen.
I put him down by his mama earlier, and she just runs off, don't pay him no attention. I'm so sorry, little guy. In the morning, we're going to go get you a bottle, and I'm going to try to force feed you, okay? Well, not force feed you, but feed you on my own.
If he's still alive.
We'll just pray you'll still be alive tomorrow. Hear me? If Walmart was open right now, we'd go. I'm so sorry. Come here.
Yeah, hold his neck.
Coraline, look. Please, take this kitten in there and make it better. Hear me? Look. Look what I got here.
Usually if
Look.
Usually if mama's cats are like that, they'll eat them.
Well, she's pissing me off. You need to take care of this kitten, Coraline. Has she been feeding him? No. His eyes, man. I tried cleaning his eyes, but it ain't doing no good. Y'all pray for him. Just make it to tomorrow, and I'll do everything in my power to help you.
Take him to the vet.
Come feed him, Coraline. Coraline, he don't need a bath. He needs you to feed him. Do something motherly to save him.
She doesn't know.
You know, their cats are smarter than you think. This is so sad. And we thought we was gonna be able to keep the whole litter alive. Yeah, lay down, let her feed him. Let him feed. Coraline, lay down. Man, oh man. He's so weak.
If his jaw locks up, that means he's dead. So try to keep his mouth open.
Coraline, take care of him, please. This is devastating.